Hello, I am Andrew, and today we are going to play a number game. So, watch and listen. Right now, the time is 5:30 or 5:30 p.m. 5:30 in the afternoon or evening. I am not sure. I will say afternoon. And today is Monday. And the weather today is good. It is sunny. Okay, let's go. So, we are going to play a number game. So, watch and I will explain. Here we have a big number, and this number is our target. Our target. Okay, so this big number is our target. And we have 6 smaller numbers which we can use to get this number. So we have 3, 10, 7, 9, 3, and 4. Rules are that we can use each of these numbers once. So if we use 4, we lose 4. We are allowed to add 2 numbers together. We are allowed to subtract 1 number from another. We are allowed to multiply 2 numbers together. And we are allowed to divide 1 number by another. And if we divide, for example, 9 by 3, we lose 9 and 3 and get 3. So we lose 2 numbers and we gain 1. And we also have a timer. We have 3 minutes to get this number. If we get this number, we win. We win, yes. But if we don't get this number within 90 seconds, we do not win, we lose. Okay? Ready? 3 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay. 3, 10, 7, 9, 36. Okay, this one is not hard, it is easy. 9 multiplied by 4 is equal to 36. So we lose 4, we lose 9, and we gain 36. 36 plus 10 lose 10, we lose 10 is equal to 46. And 46 plus 3 is equal to 49. So I win. And look, I only used four numbers. I still have 2 numbers. So I have 2 numbers to spare. Okay. Let's play another game. This time, the big number is 444. 444 is our target. And our smaller numbers are 25, 100, 6, 4, and 5. Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, 100. 100. 100 multiplied by 4 is 400, but that doesn't work. 100 take away 25 is equal to 75, so we lose these two. We lose them. 75 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 450. Is that correct? 6 times 70 equal to 420. Yes, and 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Yes, okay. Okay. Yes. 100 take away 25 gives us 75. We lose 125. 75 multiplied by 6, we lose this 6, gives us 450. 450 take away this 6 gives us 444. Yes. And with 1 minute and 10 seconds to spare. So, only took us 1 minute and 50 seconds to get the answer. Yes, okay. So that game was a little bit harder than the first game. I have one more game. Let's see if it is harder or easier. Okay, this time the big number is 204 and the 6 smaller numbers are 25, 100, 7, 5, and 5. So we have 2 5s, 2 7s, 1 100, and 1 25. Okay, timer for 3 minutes. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay. Hmm. 25 multiplied by 5 is 125. 25 multiplied by 10. Okay, let's see. 7 take away 5 is equal to 2. So we lose 1, 7, and we lose 1, 5, and we gain 2. Okay, 2 multiplied by 100, so we lose 100, is equal to 200. Now, 200 plus 5 is equal to 205, which is 1 away from 204, but not good enough. So I will not do that. 25. That is not going to work. So I will undo that, and we get back these 3 numbers. I will stop the timer for a second and rewrite this. So, ready? Let's restart the timer. Let's go. Okay, 204. 725 multiplied by 7 is equal to 175. Okay, we lose 25, we lose 7, we need 29 now. 5, 25, 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. 30 seconds left is equal to 20. Add the 20 gives 195. 100 divided by 5, yep. Add 5, no. Plus 7 is equal to 202. So that is 2 away from 204. So this time I did not win. No, I lost. What about you? Did you win? Or like me, did you not win? Let me know below in the comments. If you won, write a comment below and let me know. Okay? That is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Okay? Great. Thanks again and goodbye. See ya.